Hello students, welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to learn about a new lesson from our grammar textbook. So it is the sixth lesson. See, sixth lesson, the title of the lesson is Nouns, Common and Proper. So what is the title of the lesson, children? The title of the lesson is Nouns, Common and Proper. So before we get started, we already studied in our previous classes about nouns or naming words. Isn't it, children? What are nouns, children? We already studied in our previous classes about nouns or naming words. So what are nouns, children? Yes, very good. Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals or birds or things. So all these types of words comes under naming words or nouns. So today we are going to learn about the kinds of nouns that are common and proper. So what are common nouns? What are proper nouns? Today we are going to learn. Okay, are you ready, children? For that I wrote some examples. So we can go through the examples first. See the first one. What is the first sentence here, children? The girl entered the room. Okay, what is the sentence? The girl entered the room. Then what about the second sentence, children? Anu entered the room. Okay, what is the sentence? Anu entered the room. In the first sentence, okay, in the first sentence, that is the girl entered the room. So what is the question here? Who entered the room? So the answer is like this. Any girl entered the room. That is not mentioned here. Which girl is entered the room? So any girl, the girl entered the room means any girl entered the room. What about the second sentence, children? Anu entered the room. So the second sentence tells about a particular person, isn't it? A particular person, that is Anu. Anu is a girl who entered the room. So in the first sentence, it may be any girl, that is Anu, Chinju, Maya, Minnu, any girl. The girl entered the room. Here it is not mentioned. So we can say that it may be any girl who entered the room. And when we talk about this second sentence, Anu entered the room means there is a particular person. Okay, we particularly mentioned the name, that is Anu. Anu entered the room. Okay, children. So we can say that the girl, this girl is a common name. Okay, the girl is the common name and Anu is the proper noun. So how we can identify this common and proper names, children? Yes, if we talk about any common names of any common persons, places, animals or birds or things, then we are calling that common names. And what about the proper nouns, children? Proper names are the names of particular persons, places, animals or birds or things. Okay, all of you understood, children? Let us try to understand what are common nouns and what are proper nouns very easily. Okay, we can go through these examples. See that this one, under this section, that is category under common nouns, I wrote boy first. Okay, boy is the common name while John is the proper noun here. Okay, and when we talk about city, okay, city is the common name of a place. And what about Agra, children? Agra is a particular place. So we can say that Agra is a proper noun. And what about country? Yes, country is the common name, because when we talk about country, we can say that so many countries are there in our world. So we can easily say that India, Pakistan, China, like that we can say that. But when we are talking about this India, so this is a particular noun because we particularly mentioned the name here. Okay, now all of you understood, children. Now we can go through the definition of common and proper nouns. Okay, let's have a look. See this one, common nouns. So common nouns are names given to persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. Okay, common names What are common names, children? Common names are the names of given to persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. When we are talking about the same kind of places, animals, persons, we are talking and we are calling that as common nouns. That is the name that is common, which is common to the same kind. Okay, children? And we can go through the proper nouns. What are proper nouns here, children? Names of particular persons, animals, places or things. So, proper nouns. In proper nouns, we are particularly mentioning the names of the persons, animals, places or things. And one more important thing is there, that is all proper nouns always begins with a capital letter. When we are writing the proper nouns, always begins with a capital letter. For example, if we are writing the names of a city, that is, we already discussed this name, that is Agra. So, we should begins with the capital letter. Okay, children? So, all the proper nouns should begins with a capital letter. So, I hope all of you understood the difference between common and proper nouns. So, we can go through the remaining exercises in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you, children.